Hi everyone. Today I cook chicken. Uh, Cooking for fry chicken with cucumber and tofu. Look at it, this tofu and the chicken right here. So cucumber and scallion. So right now I'm going to fry tofu first to let them, good, taste good, crispy. So anyway, wow. So when you cooking, you fry tofu to make sure that has the brown color, so it tastes good. I should buy the one that already cooked, but I cannot find at the store at the market basket. So I'm going to turn the tofu out to make sure that they're not done yet, so it must have to be brown. It's hard, I put the small pan to fry that because of the tofu is too big. So next time I learn. So we get another, the first one is brown now. So we get another side has to be brown together. Tofu is just a green thing, you know. It's not a meat. It just, you know, it tastes good. So you have to fry. But if you don't want to do like that, you can buy the one they finish cooked. So I couldn't find at the market basket. So that's why I took this one. So later on, I will be take the cook already. It's easy. You don't need to, you know, take much time to cook this. It's pretty good. I just want to make a brown, you know, to make tasting good. By the way, if you like um, this my cooking for that, so please help me subscribe, share, comment, like. So don't forget to hit the bell so I can bring a new video for you guys watching my video. So please keep watching and enjoy my video. That's pretty good, right? So well, it's, you know, I try to do it to make sure that I know how to cook. You know, so um, I like to cook, but most of the time is, you know, hard. So sometimes I don't know. Um, I don't know what kind of food I'm cooking, and I don't know some stuff that I need to put. Most of the time, so I do my first time. Anything that taste good, I continue to do some more cooking, more style, more man cooking. If I don't know very much, I will be ask my wife. So my wife, she very good cook. She very good cooking. So that's why right now I try to learn, try to help her to make sure that um, I can do what I can do. Anyway, thank you very much. Please enjoy video. So right now